Good morning. Today is going to be day 10 of the Gunite pool startup. Things have been really doing great. I've been brushing the pool at least once a day. Yesterday I happened to skip because I was just so busy I couldn't get to it. But I'll get to it twice today. And I'm out here early this morning because I've got a little 14-month-old coming over for the day to hang out. But anyway, let's get started. Just as a recap, yesterday's values, my chlorine was 5 to 10 parts per million. It was a little high, so I was not going to make any adjustments. And the pH was 7.0. Now I know the pH was going to rise during the day, but I did add 12 ounces of pH increase just because. I don't know what it's going to be today, but we're going to find out. So let's get started with our chlorine test. I've got my pool sample together. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up to the 9. I'm also going to pre-fill my pH water up as well. So the pH water is right at 44, and I'll cap that because that's where it belongs. Just I guess got to bring down a little bit. That's right at the 9 mark. So, all right. So we're going to test the pH and the chlorine. So we're going to start out with 5 drops of 001. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's interesting because you can already see a reaction as soon as you start to put that in. It just starts to cloud up a little bit. And 5 drops of R002. I'd like to keep the chlorine in here about 3 parts per million at this stage. So let's cap this and invert it. We'll see what we're at. Okay. That's our chlorine reading today. If I hold this up to the sun, I'm actually at like 1 to 2 parts per million. And I want to be somewhere in the 2 to 4 parts per million, but I want to show you what I'm looking at. I don't know if you're going to agree or disagree with me, but that to me looks like it's in the 1 to 2 parts per million range, which is good because yesterday I was reading in the 5 to 10, and that's too much chlorine at this stage of the game for the pool. So we're going to take care of that. Now, we're going to move on to the pH. Now, chlorine was 1 to 2 parts per million, so I'm going to record that. All right, and then we're going to add some liquid chlorine, and I'll show you how we're going to get to that after we finish up here. Now, testing my pH, 5 drops of R004. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to cap it. I'm going to invert it to mix a few times. Let's take a look at that pH number. I'm going to look at it first in the sun. I'm getting a 7.6. Well, you guys see what you think? I'm thinking it's right around 7.6 right here. That's kind of what it's been every morning almost. 7.6. All right. So having said that, we're going to wash these out, 7.6, and we're going to record those values. So the pH today was 7.6. And the chlorine was 1.2. Now I'm going to test the alkalinity only because I haven't done it in a couple of days. But we should be in good shape with it. Let's see. I got to go to the 25 milliliter mark on here. Every day you do this, it gets a little easier. Just take a little out because you get used to it. I was really afraid of doing this when I first started. That's at the 25 mark. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Taylor test kit K2005. There's two versions of this test kit. This one I bought, and I didn't know at the time. This has like 3/4 ounce reagents in it, and there's one more K2005 test kit that has 2 ounce reagents in it. That's a lot. If my pool was open year round, I probably would have bought that. But this really is to help me get the water tuned in. Right, so on this now, we're going to add 2 drops of R007. And I think that's supposed to take any chlorine out of the water. Don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. There's our 2 drops. And of course, with anything else with this, we're going to swirl it. Swirl to mix, they say, swirl to mix. Oh, that video in the background I'm playing is my my LED pool light install yesterday. And I'm going to take 5 drops of R008, and we should get a green color. So 5 drops of R008. 2, 3, 4, 5. And guess what? Swirl to mix. There's our green color. Now, I read the directions every morning. We have to add R009, which is this. And you can see, I'm still up at the top of that, of all the tests I've done. So I'm going to add R009, counting until the color changes from green to red. So let's do it. Let's throw 1, 2, 3, 4 to start. Now watch. So it turned red and it went back to green right away. That was 4 drops. 5. 6. 7. I'd say that's red. I'm going to say my alkalinity is 6, and that's 60 ppm. My alkalinity has been reading, the last time I did my alkalinity, it was 80 parts per million, and today I'm 60 parts per million. So looks like I'm going to have to buy some baking soda and put some baking soda in the pool. Because at this point I want my alkalinity to be 80 parts per million. So those are all the values I'm going to test today. There's no point in testing the calcium at this point. My calcium reading shouldn't change. And my CYA, or my stabilizer, that was like a 38 to a 40. That's not going to change. So that's where we are. Now at this point, our chlorine's a little low and our alkalinity is a little low. And our pH is a little bit on the high side. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to tell me, because that's what I use to calculate my values. Right? Everybody knows all about my pool. So I'm going to tell it chlorine is 1 to 2 ppm. How much to add for 3 ppm? It's telling me to add 40 ounces of 12.5% liquid chlorine. 40 ounces. How much is 40 ounces in cups? Five cups. 2.5 pints. All right, so let's get set up to do that. All right, so here we are. That's 2.5 pints. There's my 1 pint mark. There's my 2 pint mark. And 2.5 pints would be right here. That one line over the 4. So let's add that. Because at this stage of the game, I want to keep the chlorine at about 3 parts per million. And there we are. Got to be very careful with this because one drop on your clothes, the color is going to come right out of it instantly. So let's add this. So that's our chlorine add. Added 2.5 pints. Alkalinity is 60. I'm going to have to bring that up, but I can't do that right now because I have the baby here. And my pH is 7.6. All right. pH is 7.6 and I need to bring it down to 7.2. I'm going to tell it today my alkalinity, my TA is 60. And this was also going to be 2.5 pints. About 36 to 40 ounces. Let's get set up. So 2.5 pints, right? 2.5 pints of acid. That's 2.5 pints. Same amount as chlorine was. Now we're going to pour this into our bucket of water, and then we're going to add it into the pool. Okay? And then we're going to rinse, put some more pool water in there, and then we're going to rinse it out. Now we're going to rinse our jar out. And then, because I did that, I'm just going to dump this back in the pool. As you can tell, the water's looking good. It's nice and clean. See the bottom drains without any problem. Now that's it for today. Later today, I'll get some baking soda to have on hand. I may have to make an adjustment. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching day 10.